When growing brassicas, it's ideal, if you can, to have some sort of structure covered in netting to keep your plants safe from the birds and also butterflies and things like that and other critters that will otherwise nibble on your lovely produce. Over the last year or so, I've accumulated these poles and hoops and all different types of metalwork with a view of creating something. I have no idea what I'm going to create. It's like an impossible puzzle. I'm just going to put it together and see what happens. I have no idea how this video will turn out. I don't think I'm the only allotment holder that does this, accumulates things with a view to build something. So let's see how we go. Okay, I've organised myself, I've organised all my bits and pieces. I'm pretty sure I can make something out of this. I've got various hoops. I think some of it's part of the same thing but incomplete, so I'm not sure if I can use it. I've got a structure there. I think that's a swing of some sort. Some hoops. That was obviously from a polytunnel of some sort. That looks like it was part of a trampoline. Some posts and just some random poles there. I'm pretty sure I can make something. Okay, one frame down. I've tied the ends with a little bit of old garden wire that I had. Not sure if you can see that. But yeah, pretty sturdy-ish, pretty rickety. It's a bit windy at the moment. It seems to be standing the test of time. The idea is that I will cover that with netting, a bit like that structure over there in the distance. There. Or this one over here. Right, so let's see what I can muster up with the rest of all of this metal work to see what we can do. And this is the second structure. Gone for an archway for this one. Now I just need to get some netting and cover them up. And this is what the bed looks like in its entirety. I've just put some plastic down there just to keep the weeds down for the time being.